Hey guys, I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I am collecting to do a refrigerator reorganization, cabinet reorganization, and just overall just kitchen reorganization. So
guys, I got 2 blankets.
So Kai and I were out and we were at the store, so we picked up a couple things. Some pertain to it and some don't, but I figured I'd film this so I can add it in so I can show you guys. So what we have over here was our quick little Target haul we did. So I got this, which I'm going to use to organize the pan tops. I have bought this. This is my second one because they actually had this on sale. They actually had these on sale for $5. And they're pretty cool because they're actually leak proof. So they got like this little mechanism in there for my on-the-go coffee. These are because I'm for my hair. Carpet Fresh. Picked up some disinfectant cleaner limited mint by Eversprings. And then I found this candle here, which is sheer vanilla embrace, and it smells so good. So I bought that. And then I bought these the things that went on the floor. Plastic label covers so I can put stuff in. And then we went to Marshall's. So usually I see the egg things, and the egg things are the ones, the flat ones. But these are the ones that go on the door. So I thought that was cool. So they go on the door, and then as you empty them, these flap up, and then you can reach the ones at the bottom. So I got that to go in the refrigerator. I got me some microfiber rags, and I got them in this color because I like it. And then I got this also to reorganize the drawers, so they interlock, and these were on sale. I can't even remember where I got them from, but these were on sale where I got them from. Then I got this bin here. So I buy usually these applesauce packets for the kids. So I bought this to like sit their applesauce packets in the refrigerator. And then these two here, and these two here, they're drawers. So I'm gonna put the fruits in them, like when I buy the grapes, so they can just pull it out and grab one. Because usually I bag those, put that in. So we got 2 of those. They were on clearance. I found this cabinet and wood clean and shine also, so grabbed a little bit of that. These here, I don't have any of these, but they were on sale for $3, so I bought those. I bought this to go in my coffee cup area, so I'm going to be redoing my coffee cup area. So all this I got from Marshall's, Burlington. Then in Marshall's, I also got some Goo Gone grill and oven cleaner. So I grabbed some hair and nails. I grabbed this for the car. This for the car, which was also on clearance. I grabbed some Microsoft rags. Well, they're not Microsoft. They're these dish rags. Because I don't have any dish rags. So I grabbed these. And then I grabbed another mug that says Coffee Before Talkie. I'm kind of going with like, most of my coffee stuff is red, so I'll have different mugs, and I'm going to find me a mug tree, and we'll put the different kinds of mugs that I just like. It's no actual theme of mugs, it's just going to be mugs that I like, and you're just going to put a couple of them there, and that's just going to be that. But these are some of the items, and once I get everything, then we're going to do that we're going to do the reorganizational haul thingy that we're going to do. So stay tuned for that.